Hello and welcome with another quick video today. This is the one of the most great day for the all the internet researchers, as today is the Google's 25th birthday, and the video is going to be an amazing for you because Google will offer you some type of giftings here as well. So here you can see it's the 25th birthday of the Google. So there are a lot of doodles are going on the internet, and you can see, I mean, there are a lot of good features happening, and you can celebrate. Here you can see this is an amazing design Google, and everyone can press the button here and we'll see some type of flowers and some type of things are down, string down, and this looks very good. So here is Google technology. It's bring the change in the human life, and everyone's life has been changed because of the Google, and no one in the world can imagine himself without the Google, because we all are habitual of these things. And it's an American multinational technology company focusing on artificial intelligence, online advertising, search engine and technologies, in cloud computing, software, quantum computing, and e-commerce, and a lot of other things. So current Sundar Pichai is the founder, is the CEO, not founder. The headquarters is in the United States, California, and it is the birthday of the project is around 4th of September 1998, and the CMO is Lorraine. So other the things I have seen on this internet, I have seen something that looks me amazing. Here you can see what is the Google's 25th birthday. So here you can see it's September 27, as an American multinational technology company achieved the significant milestone. It's for developing into the humble beginning. And also here you can see is will Google gift me on my birthday? Yeah, to be more specific, Google celebrates your birthday. You get your unspecific doodle when the magical moment of your birthday has arrived, and you go to the home page of the search engine. You will find the Google logo looks like birthday celebration. Here you can see, like, this is the gift for you on this website. You can see they are offering you to become a gifting for you. The Google Doodle become have almost like a collector items, and you can guys you can fix your own name. Okay, so and whenever your birthday will arrive, the system will automatically celebrate your birthday, and the whole day you can celebrate it. And here you can see this is the example of the Google is automatically becoming the birthday stuff. And here you can see, here is mention about the Michaels, like here birthday of the Michael, and other the people, a lot of the people are can edit their name, and by this Google will celebrate their whole day as a birthday. So this guy have shared an amazing information, and you guys can fix, and you can share this amazing moment. You can copy, you can make a snapshot and video for your channels and share with your friends and followers. So this will be a gift for you. This is the information is gift, and everything is happening on the internet is doing awesome, and we have to work very carefully with the internet, and we always have to work very positively. And whenever we have some information, we should share with all the followers and all the people in the world. So together we will make this world as a safe haven. Okay, and together we will also naked some scammers. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Together I'm sharing, I am basically a crypto influencer and sharing a lot of more information about the crypto, what happening in the crypto. So this will help you a lot. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.